This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Bedsole. Located in the Landstown area of Virginia Beach, near Oceana and Dam Neck Base. Short distance to TCC Virginia Beach and the ODU Nursing Department building. Only 1.5 miles to the Farmers Market, the Landstown Shopping Center and Sentara Hospital. House backs up to a large open field, a large retention lake, paths and a trail. Energy efficient home, top of the line LENNOX heating/cooling unit with Wi-Fi thermostat, PELLA windows, 30-year roof and insulated wrapped attic. For more information, review the details below.